record on the computer. So guys, this is the fourth video on first chapter of our P1. Fourth video we are doing. Like and subscribe. Okay, example number 13. Okay, let's learn how to open this bracket. Again, these brackets, you can do it in calculator if you want to. It's completely up to you. These things you can do it in your calculator, but you need to know the manual. Again, in our time, P1, we had to do everything manually. There was no calculator for P1. P2, P3, P4, yes. But P1, everything was manual. Okay, and yeah, okay. Can we multiply this to 5 root 2? Agree? We always write the number first, by the way, then roots. Because writing root 2 multiplied by 5 looks weird. So that's why I write what? 5 root 2 minus root 2 into root 3. Let me do it manually. 2 into 3. You can do it like this. So where I can write root 6. Well, I'm teaching you manual method. Na? So let me do it as elaborately as possible. As detailed manner. So that later on when you rewatch these videos, or in future anyone in this video, anyone in future watching in future, hey guys, okay, I might not be alive, who knows. Okay, so there is there. Okay, now let's start. 5 root 2 minus root 6. Yes or no? Root 2? Huh? Root 2. Sorry. Okay. So this is the opening of the bracket. You can't go more than this. Is there any way I can simplify this, by the way? Is there any way I can simplify this? No, I cannot. Okay. Let's go to the next one now. Let's go to the next one. Huh? Did you watch the third video? Then I can explain it. Here it is. 2. Okay, you know how to open brackets, now everyone? That day I taught you the first videos. 2, 5 plus root 3. I'm coming to your explanation. Don't worry. Minus root 3, open bracket, 5 plus root 3. Everyone understood this, na? I think in the first video and second video, we were learning how to open brackets. And regarding open brackets, you guys should know from your class 8, class 9 onwards, you were supposed to learn all this and come. Yeah, we expect you to know. You're facing difficulty in wearing that, right? And you feel very that the world is new manner. Yeah. Okay. Just hold on there. 5 into 2 is what? 10. Okay. 2 into root 3 is what? 2 root 3. Minus 5 root 3. Then what is root 3 into root 3? Minus 3. This one I told you yesterday, day for yesterday as well, right? Root 3 multiplied by root 3. Again, those who are facing extreme difficulty has no idea what's going on over here. Okay. Isn't Faham is also my class in here? Oh yeah, he's there. Good. Faham, can you send me the homeworks if you did any? Okay. If you feel extreme difficulty, you are more than allowed to do the calculator. Anyway, the teacher is not checking and they don't know how you got your answer. As long as you maintain certain tricks to give them the illusion that you have done that manually. Otherwise, root 3 into root 3. How do you know you did this in the calculator or mentally? Right? You can use calculator more than this willing to, but I would encourage you to do it manually before switching to calculator. Okay? Okay. So now 10 minus 3. What is 10 minus 3? 7. See, there are root 3, now both of them. That means you can add them. Can it be minus 3 root 3? Now, I would suggest you do this in calculator. Write this with brackets in calculator. See what is the answer you guys are getting. I'll pause the recording. Video. So, guys, when you started the calculator in calculator, when you input the values, you got exactly what we got when we did it manually. Yeah, the first video. Okay, first video was more than enough. So we did example 13. Okay. Now what I can give you guys, I'll give you guys some sums to do. Remember the tricks I taught you in previous class, and today there was no trick at all. Okay, from this exercise 1E, try to do J, K, O N. Okay, and also M as well. Try doing this within 5-10 minutes. Let's finish this. I'll pause the recording. Continue this thing now. So, guys, question number 2, 1 is done, and none of you guys had the doubt which I gave you to work over here. None of you, I think. I'm pretty sure. Okay, if anyone is listening online who had doubts, please don't hesitate. Again, I can solve it if I want to. Now, here, if you want to, not what if I want to. Okay, do G H I from question number 2, and be careful of negative signs. When you open this bracket, open with false method. Okay, I'll pause the recording. Everyone, do it. Okay, so Faham has suddenly requested for me to repeat, do this particular question. This particular question, let's do that. Okay, you have. Okay, so root of 28, can I write this in the form of 14 by multiplied by 2? Again, I said you need to be really good at tables for this. Then minus 2 root of 63. Now 63, what will I get? Remember, I told you there is always hint with the lowest number. The lowest number I got is key, 2. Do I have anything with the 2 over here though? And by the way, 14 also is also not possible. Yeah, 14, because 14 doesn't have a root. What else do I have? What else? 14 by 2 is not enough. 7 into 4. So definitely this also has to do something with 4. So how much is it? 4? 9 sevens or 7 basically, correct? 9 sevens. You see, it all depends on these. There should be a common number between them. You understood? I took 14 too, which is correct. But 14 multiplied by 2 will not give me that answer. There is no root in 14. Root 14 doesn't exist. Okay, so next we have root 7. Oh, I forgot to see this number. That the hint was there only 7. It has to be, everything has to be divided by 7 over there. Good. Okay, 4 goes on the other side. 2 root 7 minus 2. When 9, it becomes 3, right? 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 root 7 plus root 7. ठीक है से? 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 3 root 7 and minus 6. Minus 3 root 7. Faham? Is your doubt clear? Now, online people, from here, you guys have any doubts from here? G, H, and I? Anyone? Anyone has issue? Let me know. G, H, and I? No one. Naira has sent me her. No, she did not send me her solution. Me is the one who sent me the solution. Okay, so Omar, could you finish all of them? I'll pause the recording by the recording. That's my calculator value, right? Show me. It looks same from the back side. Mine and yours. Anyway, you need to change your calculator. You guys need to change your calculator. Those who has the old ES, is this the MS version? Is this MS? Show me. It is MS. It is MS. Don't use MS versions calculators, online people. Your ES versions calculators are really handy for these kind of sums which we are doing. You will notice the roots and all does not come over here. It comes in decimal. So do not use this. That will cost you maybe 7 riyal, 6-7 riyal maybe. Okay. And or if anybody is coming from Bangladesh, you might get, where is Emdad? He has my calculator. He took my calculator, never returned it. Okay. Paste. Emdad took it for exam. Okay. So let's start question number 3. Root of 75 minus root of 12, giving your answer in the form of so and so. Okay, a root 3. Can you see what is the hint over here? 3, right? This is 75. Something divided by 3. What will you do? 15 freezer. Perfect. 15 freezer. Again, 3 4s are 12. No, not 15 freezer. What is it by the way? 25, 25, 25 in multiplied by 3. 25. Sorry, I got confused with this thing. 25, 3, and this is 3 4s are 12. Everybody understood this? Now 25, if you bring it outside, it's a release jail card, by the way. It becomes 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3. That's going to be what? 3 root 3. So A will be how much? 3. So you will this is the kind of question they might ask you in the examination. Make sure you write your answer like this. Box it. Keep a box over here. You guys are focusing? Yes? Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Rationalization. How many of you remember rationalization from your O levels? You guys remember rationalization? Okay. This is how rationalization works. If they give you 1 divided by root a, you multiply top and bottom with root a. That's what they say. Multiply numerator and denominator by root a. This is rule number 1 of rationalization. Is this understood? Rule number 1, multiply top and bottom by root a. If they give you 1 divided by a plus root b, you have to multiply top and bottom with a minus root b. Okay? Ulta sign. And if it is a minus root b, it's going to be top and bottom will be a plus root b. Okay? Understood? Pamida? Yasin Butso? You know this, na? Okay. So let's continue. Let's start doing these sums now. Okay? Examples and all. Okay, so let's do this. 1 divided by root 3. Let's do a part. 1 divided by root 3 is going to be multiply bottom by root 3, multiply top by root 3, right? Root 3 will be root 3 as it is. What is root 3 multiplied by root 3? 3. So answer is root 3 by 3. Yes, this is the most simplification. You guys can try that in your calculator. Right now, in your calculator, write 1 divided by root 3, please. Lako, calculator 1 divided by root 3. Yasin, Lako, 1 divided by root 3 in calculator. What is it you are getting? Root 3 by 3. In Kankita, your one you won't get it. So you have to use the another one. Fine. Let's go with the B one, B part. So 1 divided by 3 plus root 3. Now, I'm going to teach you a very good trick, which will cut down your calculation by half, basically. Back before, students used to open the whole bracket and they would just waste their time. Now, I'm going to teach you something which I taught you just few days back, and it is related to this only. Okay, so what is it? You multiply top by 3 minus root 3. Remember to give what? Brackets. Very important. Always give bracket. Bottom also, again, with brackets, what is it going to be? 3 minus root 3. I'll pause the recording. There is someone in the gate. So, guys, I made a mistake. Brilliant Kankita has spotted a mistake over here. Okay. This is root 3, root 3. It should be root 2. Thank you, Kankita. It was Sadia. Thank you, Sadia. Okay, now, okay. You understood this, no? Now, root 2, 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2. Oh, yeah, 1 by 3 plus root 2 as well. Correct. Thank you. Now, listen. Top part is very easy to do. 3 minus root 2 because there is a multiply by 1 over here. So pretty easy. Now, bottom one. You know what the most students does? If you put a bracket over here, you're going to open the bracket. But do you realize this is a square minus b square? Why? A plus b, a minus b. Does it look like that? Look, a plus b, a minus b. So instead of writing 3 3s are 9, 3 root 2, 3 root 2 minus 2. No need to open the bracket. Just do 3 square minus root 2 whole square. Is this understood? No need to open the bracket. I just decrease some of your calculation time right there. Okay, equals to, again, 3 minus root 2 divided by, what is 3 square? 9. What is this? Minus 2. How much is the answer? 3 minus root 2 divided by key? 7. Is that understood? You can put this in your calculator. Just put this in your calculator and check whether you end up getting this answer or not. Okay, I'll pause the recording. I hope online everyone understood. If you did not, I will explain again. Please let me know. I'll pause the recording. So we'll be doing C part right now. So let's do C. C part might get a bit a bit crazy here and there. But if you know how to simplify it properly, it will not be that crazy for you. So root 5 plus root 2. So let's start. C part, yeah. Root 5 plus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 minus root 2. Okay, so what will I do? Multiply top and bottom. Root 5 plus, no, yes, plus root 2. Because why? This is minus, na? So it's going to be ulta. And please, please, please do not forget to give brackets. Very important that you guys give brackets. Understood this one? Now. So this root 5 will multiply to this root 5. How much will my answer be? 5. Then root 5 also gets multiplied to root 2. What will it be? Root 10. Root 5 plus root 10. Again root 10. Okay? Again, plus 2. Divided by. I told you guys, remember, what does this look like? A square minus b square. So, root of 5 whole square minus root of 2 whole square. Now, 5 plus 2 is what? 7. Root 10 is going to be 2 root 10. If I'm going fast, do let me know as well. Divided by. What is root of 5 square? 5. And what is 2 square? 2. Root 2 square. That is going to be how much? 3. So 7 plus 2 root 10 divided by 2. That's your answer. Online, please do this. I'll pause the recording. If you do not understand, say me. I will explain again. Okay, so this is the D part. Let's do. Now here there is no rationalization till now. Till now, no rationalizing state. If I open the bracket, do you remember the formula? A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square is what? 1 square. Minus 2 into 1 into root 3. Right? 2AB plus B square. B square is going to be 3, na? Because what is root 3 square? 3. Yes or no? So ultimately 1 divided by. What is 1 plus 3? 4. Minus 2 root. Now can I do rationalization? Now if anybody did not understand me opening the bracket, can ask me. Or see, what did I do? I use the formula. But if you guys know, bhaiya, I don't understand formula. So 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3. You can do that also. If you want, you can do this also. At the end of the day, you'll end up getting this answer only. Huh. Well, again, you have to convincing to the examiner that you. No, I will show this formula over there. And I also showed all the steps here. Look, this thing will not come in the calculator. Okay. You guys do this. And also, wait, I will explain it, but I have to go somewhere. So you guys do this. Then also you guys do some practice questions till I come. Okay. Okay. From here, you guys can do E, F, G. Also from here, you guys can do I, K, L, M. Okay. After finishing this, somebody comes and scrolls it down. Okay. For everyone else to see. After finishing this, finish this first. Once you're done with it, scroll down, go to this over here and scroll down. Okay. Chalo, I'll pause the recording. Hi guys. So let me continue. This. So I left it here now. You multiply the bottom with 4 plus 2 root 3. You multiply top with 4 plus 2 root 3. Is this understood? Okay, now again, how do you simplify this? 4 plus 2 root 3 right there, divided by 4 square, 16, right? Remember, it's a square plus b square. Remember, sorry, minus b square. So minus 2 root 3 whole square is going to be 12, right? 4 into 3. Yes, 12. It's going to be 12. How much is it? 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by Agree? Now, if you see 2 is common, this and this has what common? 2 is common. If 2 is common, it's going to be 2 plus root 3. Divided by what? 4. Excuse me. 4. Now, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it's going to be 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. Is this understood? Online, everyone understood? You understood? You guys did this? Online, everyone, do you understand this? Please let me know. I zoomed it out so that you guys can see the whole thing as well. Well, there is a plus sign. If there would have been a multiplication sign, you could have cancelled them. But since there is an addition sign, numerator and denominator will not get cancelled. That's why I took 2 common between them. Then I cancelled 2 ones or 2 twos.
Bro, how can you show again?
Which one? Which part you want to know from?
How did you take the 2 common out?
How did I take the common out? Okay. 4 and 2, মাঝখানে common টা কি বলো? 2 common না? So I brought the 2 outside. 2 twos are 4. Instead of 4, I'm writing 2 because 2 I already wrote here. Plus 2 was there. You already wrote 2 outside. So plus root 3. See, if you open this bracket, you will get this one back again. 2 twos are 4. 2 root 3. See, that's how you take the common out. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Continue. Finish this? Finish it, right? Now, I hope this is over. I hope this is over. Siam. That doesn't mean anything. Now, I gave you guys some solutions to do from here. Can you please do this? আমি তোমাদেরকে একটা দুইটা তিনটা চারটা পাঁচটা ছয়টা সাতটা সাম দিছি করার জন্য সাতটা সামস করো I think this is the last and after this we are done with this chapter. Woohoo! Yay! Chalo! এই সিয়াম ওই বক্সের একটা পিকচার নিয়ে আমাকে একটু পাঠাতে বাস একটা পিকচার উপরের পিকচারটা নিলে হবে নো ক্লোথস পুরন কার্ড all active logs. Full is because my mom's Ashirwad. Thank you. Best way to learn. Oh, that singing one. I saw that. 55.6. Do G. So Tanvi is saying she has doubt in the G part. Anybody else has doubt in the G part? তোমার G part doubt আছে? Online people, I'm losing touch with you guys. None of you guys are communicating nicely with me. Ejaz, what is this yes means? Yes, কেন লিখছো তুমি? আজকে দেখি কখন free আছি because I'll go my friend's house most probably. So I might not be today. Maybe tomorrow I will call you. Okay. Today I'm definitely gonna message you. Or you can come at sharp 6 o'clock. Okay, তখন কেউ থাকবে না। Yeah, come at 6 o'clock. Take your stuffs and leave. Okay. Okay, you know what? Do you still want me to repeat G part? Okay, then I will be going with G part. Doubting G doubt. Okay. See, I'm same answer. I would still accept it. Where is the sum?
And niche, the last time. It's G.
Oh. How did you get root 3? 2 root 3 and 2 root 39. তুমি ক্যালকুলেটর মারছ আমি তোমাকে ম্যানুয়াল মেথড তো বলিনি do not rely on your calculator so much I know you have to use calculator but try to learn the manual method na there is a reason manual method what if they give you letters instead of numbers then what will you do calculator letters ki laga jabe in calculators can you type letters tell me that can you do calculation based on letters method না জানলে কি সবাই তো তোমার মতন না এখানে some of the people has to study over here তোমারটা শুনে এরা এনকারেজ হবে তারপর yeah you did exactly the way we did na yeah correct it was 1 by root 13 but after that you did not rationalize it you need to rationalize where is it oh okay correct same it same method course online everyone understood this explanation
Yeah.
perfect chalo
Hey.
oh sorry I'll pause the recording so guys I gave you these particular sums for practicing purposes okay and some all of you has flagged question number L question number 2L with me which exercise 1F you have flagged this one as the doubt so I'll be solving that right now okay okay so root of 41 plus root of 29 is there any way I can simplify root of no there is none so can I multiply bottom with root of 41 plus root of 29 and multiply again with bottom root of 41 plus root of what 29 okay so now if I open the bracket the bottom part becomes very easy for us because it's going to be root of 41 whole square why is it a square minus b square because this looks like a square minus b square to me okay minus root of 29 what is it whole square now this one if you want you can directly enter into the calculator but I always do it directly manually so root 41 multiplied by root 41 is going to be what 41 then next root 41 is going to be plus 41 multiplied by what 29 okay then again 41 multiplied by what 29 then root 29 is what 29 okay now if I okay can you guys do 41 into 29 root of the answer this you do in calculator you want to do it manually go ahead huh No, root of it. What is the answer of 1189? In decimal, show me. 41 and 29. 41 multiplied by 29. 41 multiplied by 29. Wait, let me check it. Answer. It's coming in decimal, so I'm not taking this. I'm taking it as it is then. What is 41 plus 29 then? 41 and 29. What is it? 1189. No. 41 plus 29. 70. 70 plus 2 root of 1189. Is this understood? Divided by 41. This is going to be 41 minus 29. Agree? What is 41 minus 29? 70 plus 2, 1189 divided by 12, right? I can take 2 common here. Can I take 2 common? If I take 2 common, will it be 35 plus root of 1189? There is no way to simplify 1189. Divided by 12. 2 ones are 2, 6 twos are. Done? Now, I will to confirm this answer. This looks sus to me. Okay. I'll confirm the answer from P1 this time. Okay. I'll pause the recording. Wait. I'll resume. Can you guys see the answers over here? Yes, it did match our answer. Look. Done? Okay. Now let me give you guys homework for next Tuesday. Please write down the homework. Exercise 1F, write it neatly. Somebody has to post it in the group as well. Write it neatly. Exercise 1F, question number 4. Write it down. 1F, question number 4. This marking will not be enough. You're going to forget. I know. Question number 4. Then, question number 5. Question number 5 full. We are coming on Tuesday, and these are very 1-minute questions, 1 to 2 minutes. Then question number 5. Question number 6. Full. Then question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 13. How many sums? 13. Okay. Okay. Wait. 13. 22, 23, 24. 22, 23, 24. Okay. Do these sums and come. Okay. Chalo. I'll pause the recording. That is the